That was Erie Ben and Dufftown style. So I'm not sure how the folk in Sydney will get on in their class. Good luck. Anyway, the Cuckoo Clock. Beginning to the 1s, 2s and 3s, dancing reels of 3 on the sidelines. The 1s are dancing in and down, the 2s out and up, and the 3s in and up. So just a normal reel of 3 on your own side. The 1s and 2s then dance a full double figure of 8 across the dance. So you're back in your original places. Then we have the Muirland Willy bit. Now stuff. This is a family show. The Muirland Willy section. The first couple lead down, cross over and cast up into second place, while the 2s set and cross down to third place, and at the same time the 3s cast up to the top and cross over right hand. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and all 3 couples turn your partner right hand once round. And it finishes with all 3 couples set and link twice. The Cuckoo Clock. So it's reels of 3 on the side, double figure of 8, Muirland Willy section, turn right hand, and then set link twice. Thank you, Elsa.
Just before we try to play this, do you know the story about the Cuckoo Clock? No? Would you like to hear it? Right. Many years ago down in Ghostland, which was Heartbeat country, Ian Barber used to run a couple of dance weekends every year. And we used to do the one in November, and Sandy Nixon used to do the one in April or May. And Bill Hendry was playing the piano in the band at the time. And Bill just happened to end up, there was a bedroom in the hotel which had a cuckoo clock in it. So every quarter of an hour the cuckoo came out. So during the night, apparently, he decided to write the tune. So he wrote the original tune called Sandy's Little Box. He was up all night listening to the cuckoos. So Ian Barber decided to, as he would, do the dance. So that's the story of the cuckoo. After that, I can't play the tune.